this is Jackie from Jangle Art and Designs, and today I have some exciting stuff to show you that I crafted during the week. And all these items I crafted were made with freebies that were given in the group Linedotarrow on Facebook. The owner is Nathalie Heinje, and she also has a YouTube channel and a Ko-fi shop and an Etsy shop, and I will add everything in the description box below. So the first thing I want to show you is part 3 of our challenges for May. We had 3 challenges, but I'm starting with the tags and then moving around to the other challenges. Now the tags I call them splashing tags because they splash right into your face with their beauty and words and what they express and so on. So this one I made with the embroidered letters that were part of the freebie and the typesetter letters that were part of the week 1 challenge. So this one is called Praise, this one is Mother, and this has got my initials, so I made this actually for myself. And this one is called Joy, and I made a belly band and put lace on it. And I've got this tag that goes into the belly band. Then I also made a purple one with a pocket in the back, and I decorated it with flowers. That is all part of the ephemera of the freebies, and also part of her kit available in her shop. And on the back I put the letter E because this is for my friend, and I'm going to put it in her journal that I'm making for her. Then I made this green tag, and I added a crocheted flower that I crocheted, and the letter M, which could be for Mother, or for my sister-in-law's initial is M, so it could be for anybody that has an M as an initial. And this is a manly one, and I made it for my husband, and his initials is C. So you see I added all the browns and a bit of sentiments. And then I made this little one, just a beautiful rosy pink one. So these are my splashing tags I made for challenge number 3 of our May month challenges. So the next challenge is that we had, or the first challenge we had, was the typesetter box. Now actually these boxes, as Natalie describes in her video, were used for typesetters, and they would put the letters of the alphabet into these little spaces. But also then these boxes were also made for people to put in miniature ornaments. So I made memorabilia in honor of my mother, who has dementia, and I embellished it and put a lot of ephemera in here, and a heart-shaped button and a flower button and a butterfly button, and there's a little birdie, and I added the word family and cherish, because we should cherish our families. My mother's nickname was Klein, and in my native language, Afrikaans, as I'm from South Africa, means small. My mother was very small at birth, and she got the nickname Klein. And then I also put the sentiment remember, as she has dementia, so to remember and forget me not, we should not forget her, and we hope that she does somewhere in her mind remember us. I added a photo of her as a baby, and then one of her in her 50s, and just little flowers and bits of material and lace and so on, and a little dangle with a bell. And I just love this that I made for my mother, and I hope to see her soon, and then I want to give this to her and see if she remembers anything. Okay, that's challenge number 1. So now challenge number 2. Well, this was a quite daring one for me, because I had no idea what to do with the freebies for challenge number 2. And then I decided to make something funky. So I am calling this a jam journal. Some people call it a skinny journal, but this is not skinny at all. As you can see, this is bulky, small and bulky. So this is a jam journal, my own invention. And let's jam together and see what I jammed inside. So inside I made a pocket from an envelope, and yeah, I made a pen. I saw this video this morning earlier on YouTube, and I could not remember the lady's name. I am subscribed to her channel, but what a lovely idea to make a pen to fit nicely into the ephemera of your kit. And then I added the number 60, as June is my birthday month, and I'm making this journal for me to remember moments of my year I turned 60. In this ornament box I added a lot of stamps with favorite things I like ladybirds and butterflies and flowers and the word love. On this side I took the ornament box and I cut it out and I made a tag envelope, and I added vellum here and pasted this part of the ephemera onto the vellum and added a tag into the pocket. This is a lovely journal page, and I just kept it as it is, and you can see I also added borders which I stamped from a new stamp set I purchased. Here I made a pocket and stamped it also, and then I made photos from the little girls that were added to the kit, and I made an envelope, and the envelope has this see-through part, and I put the girls' pictures in here just so that you could see the envelope opening. On this side I added some ephemera and the word joy. Yeah, I put another photo in the journal with a braid, and on this side I made a bookmark with a beautiful wax seal, a rose, and this mini pocket. And then here I have made a slide and added these bits and pieces in here, and here I made a little pocket with a tag with the word blue, and here are some images from the kit, and the colored pages you see are pages that I colored by myself after I saw a video on YouTube with ink. And here's a ticket and that letter H for hope. I hope that my 60th year will be a new beginning. And also border stamps, and here I wrote remember. So here are spaces for me to write down notes of my 60th year. Here's a bookmark and in the belly band, and then I just want to add some of my tags into the pockets I made. And on this side here's another slide with the word butterfly. So this is a butterfly page, and here I added some embossing paper and a belly band, and I'm going to put in the bookmark tag praise, because I like to praise people that deserve it, and to encourage people, and also to praise God. And here I added a dangle and a few bits and pieces, and on this side more embossing and buttons just to decorate the pages. And here's another piece of the journal page, and here I made a mini pocket like this and a tag, and here's some more bits and pieces, and I can fill it up as the year goes by. And then I ended my last page off with another part of the journal page. I hope you enjoyed jam journaling with me, and please like and subscribe to my channel, as I will be doing tutorials in the future. I was going to start earlier, but I had the flu and my voice was so hoarse I could not make videos. So I am going to start very soon with a few videos on how to make small items so that beginners can have the courage and the know-how how to make things that are new and strange to them. My journey has been rather difficult, as I had to learn actually mostly all by myself. So I enjoy watching YouTube videos, and I enjoy sharing what I've learned with you. So till next time, happy crafting, and see you soon.